Hello, it's Mr. KB here, and I would like to demonstrate one row in the Christmas gift challenge. Some of you are very new to Google Sheets, and so I want to show you what this might look like. So we're going to start with a theoretical recipient, and I'm going to put the name of my brother Phil. Okay, so we've got a recipient, Phil. And then I need to decide what item will I buy him. So I know that Phil likes sports stuff. So let's go to sportcheck.ca. And that's a Canadian sports store for you Americans watching. But here we go. So I love this because it shows all of the discounts right here. Let's buy Phil a pair of shoes. And we can see some ASICS shoes are 30% off. Let's narrow the search down to men's shoes. And let's choose this beautiful white pair of ASICS men's gel Nimbus shoes. Okay, so what's my next step? My next step is to grab that URL. And I'm going to write ASICS men's gel shoes. Okay, now notice my writing went beyond the column, so I can just grab the edge of the column and whoop, move it over just like that. Very easy to do that. And before I move on, I need to hit Control K and copy the link from the website. So now if I click on that link, I can visit the exact deal, the exact page that shows that product. All right, now the store is called Sport Check. We can just type that in there. Now the original price, we don't actually know the original price because it says 30% off, discount applied. So I'm going to show you how to figure out the original price. That's actually going to be a little bit tricky, but we can do it. The percent discount is 30%. Sale price is going to be $139.94. And we can find the GST and PST, that's 12% tax in our area. You can see the formula is right up here, times 0.12. So here's what I'm going to type in, equals, and I'm going to select that cell, times 0.12. And I need to round. You can see it shows me quite a few decimal places. I need to round that to 2 decimal places to make that money. And then for the total column, I'm going to say equals this cell plus, whoops, let's try that again, equals this cell plus this cell. Now I have a total. Now let's go back and figure out what is the original price, what is the amount that it was discounted. Okay, so what we need to do is calculate the original price, and what we're going to do, or the way we're going to do that is by typing equals sale price divided by, and this is tricky, 70%. Now why 70%? Because we want to find out the original price before the discount was applied. So watch what happens. I end up with $199.91. And now I can figure out how much money was discounted. So I need to take this figure, oops, need to take this figure minus the sale price, and that shows me how much money came off. They basically decided to take $60 off, or 30% off. Okay, so that is one transaction. Let's do one more because that was kind of a complicated item. So now I'm going to choose another one of my brothers, Andrew. And Andrew likes home hardware kind of stuff, so let's go over to Home Depot. Oops. And again, I'm shopping in Canada, so I'm going to homedepot.ca. And if I type in drill, I'm sure that will show me a lot of results. And let's choose, whoops, that one does not have a discount. Let's choose this pack. And that's such a large description, but I'll say Milwaukee Tool is what I'm going to enter. So let's write Milwaukee Tool, Control-Shift-V. And remember, I need to add the link. So I'm going to grab the link up here and Control-K. Store is Home Depot. Now, what's the original price on this item? They actually tell us on the Home Depot site. Look at that, $88. So I'm going to hit Control-Shift-V, original price right there. And they tell us the discount, 10% off. So I'm going to write 10% is the discount. And they also tell us the amount of savings, $9. Now that's not actually precisely 10% off, but let's say, kind of correcting them on their math here. Sale price is $79. Okay. And the amount discounted we can see is $9. Okay, so I agree with their math. $9. You see right here, it says save $9. Okay, so we're almost done. This one's going a little more quickly. How do we find the tax? Again, it's equals this cell times 0.12. 948. And now to bring this to the total, we need to say equals this cell plus this cell, and that brings us to our total. So there you have it. I now have 2 items in my Christmas gift challenge, and I just keep going through like that all the way to 20 items. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.